Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we should be doing something different. Actually, really not different. I am unboxing this stuff called Wodo. Obviously, it's backwards for you guys. Sorry, I wish I could just like flip it. But it's called Wodo, like WHOA, and then dough. It's supposed to be stretchy and sensory and light and airy. I honestly don't think I've ever seen anyone unbox this. I just got the 6-pack because the 9-pack, I don't know how much it was, just seemed like a lot. Maybe once I get used to this, I'll buy it. But, so we got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Just a rainbow. So, I guess we'll just start by unwrapping them all. They have little pull tabs. I don't know how easy they're gonna be. Yeah. I already have to use force to. Oh, there we go. Got the rest off. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna just cut them all, and then we'll actually start playing with it. I'm not gonna go red and then play with that and then yellow. I mean orange and then play with that and then yellow. Yada yada. It's kind of hard to open. Especially because the pull tabs don't actually work. Come on, can I get it? I cannot. Got it. Let me see. That one actually came undone pretty easy. Kind of. Oh, it's upside down. Sorry guys, I'm resorted to using my teeth. There's that one. Gunner. Guys. Gunner, shut up. Okay, and I unwrapped purple already. That's all the trash. So I guess we'll start with red. Whoa. That is a lot. Oh, it's kinda like what is that stuff called? It's kinda like model magic. It's you can like form stiff peaks like model magic, but like it's more stretchy than model magic and it's more gooey. So it's like model magic that hasn't been mixed enough. Like it's not like kinetic sand. It's definitely dough, that is for sure. And it's definitely light and airy, stretchy, and sensory. But I will say, anyone who gets this stuff, it gets under your fingernails. It may not be a problem to guys, but girls, it's gonna get under your nails. Like, see? I can stretch this. And look, it's holding its peak. Whoop. It's holding its peak. Which is very interesting. Okay. Obviously, I'm going to touch all of them because I just want to see if they're all consistent. And then we're moving on to the big unboxing. Oh, this one's more stiff. Now this feels like model magic, but it like stretches a lot. This one's more stiff. I don't know if it's just like it like was in there longer. I'm trying to get just a giant chunk. It looks very bright on camera. It's really not that bright. Here, let me try and it's like that color. It looks super bright on camera. It is neon, but it's not that neon. It's not like blinding bright where you have to look away. Like snow. Also, let me know if you guys got any snow. We did. A lot. Snow's kind of annoying. But whatever. It is what it is. So, it's a circle. Okay, I'm just gonna squish that back down there. Yeah, definitely more firm. That's why I have to test all of them. Just to make sure any of them are different. Also, these caps are really airtight. Whoa. I got stuck. Whoa, that's like a weird consistency. Yeah, you guys can't really tell. I mean, yeah, it's kind of like fur. Now can you see it? This one's also pretty firm. Like, I can probably take all this out. Maybe. Maybe not. It's still really stuck to the sides, but I can just grab a giant clump of it. Maybe it's just because it hasn't been worked in a while. Although that doesn't explain the red. Okay, back into the container it goes. Now on to green. I wonder if any of them are gonna be like red. Oof. That's like witch's hair, or witch's hair, what? Witch's skin green. Except for more bright. It's kind of like the red. It's in between yellow and orange. Got it off the lid. Super bright green on camera. That's the real color of it. It's not that bright green in life. I mean, it's definitely bright green, just not that bright green. I need an actual camera. Okay, that's green.
Whoa.
God. I'm gonna have to freaking do a voiceover for this now. What the hell? God. And then blue. Do you want to see if that caught it, camera? I want to see if that caught it. Blue is firm, just not super soft, but also not super firm. What am I saying? And then my favorite color, purple. And purple is the same as orange. It's pretty stiff. Camera does not do it justice. Okay. Now on to the main unboxing. Well, actually, that was the main unboxing. On to the exciting part. Got new Joy-Cons. Yeah. The ones on my Switch are a couple of years old already. Just thought I should have some backups. Be careful. Obviously, the side pieces. Dun, 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 green, otherwise known as the right. And then pink is left. Okay. There are the beauties.